In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. To start, you'll want to visit gemini.google.com or open the Gemini app on your device. It's very important to ensure you're logged into your Google Workspace account, which needs to be the same one linked to your Google Calendar. This will ensure that Gemini can effectively access your calendar without any hiccups. Once you're in, head over to the settings within the app and then go to extensions. Here, you're going to want to enable Google Workspace extensions, making sure that Google Calendar is included. This step is crucial because it allows Gemini AI to connect and interact with your calendar data. If you haven't set this up yet, Gemini will usually prompt you to do so when you try to access your calendar through the app. Before we dive further, a quick note. Gemini AI can only manage events in your default calendar. It won't be able to make changes to any secondary calendars you might have. Now that you've set everything up, you're ready to start using natural prompts to manage your calendar. You can either type or speak your command. For example, you might say, create a meeting with Alex next Friday at 3 p.m. or add a marketing strategy session tomorrow at 2 p.m. After you give a command, Gemini will provide a confirmation prompt to ensure you meant to create that event. You'll confirm, and just like that, the event will appear in your default Google Calendar. Gemini isn't just limited to adding events. You can also ask about your schedule with questions like, what's on my calendar today? Or how many meetings do I have next week? Gemini will pull up your schedule and provide you with a rundown of events. You can even click on these events to open them directly in your Google Calendar for more details. If changes need to be made, Gemini can help with that too. Maybe you need to reschedule a meeting. Simply say, reschedule my weekly review meeting to 1 p.m. Gemini will confirm if that's the meeting you mean, and once you approve, it'll update the event in your calendar. Canceling events is just as easy. If something falls through, you could say, cancel my next meeting with Jenna, and Gemini will take care of it for you. For past event details, Gemini can also be a valuable tool. You might want to know, when was the last time I met with Karen? And it'll provide you with the date and even the location if it's in the records. Lastly, one of the really neat features of Gemini is its ability to add events from other sources. If you have event details in an email or a document, just copy, paste, or upload the information and tell Gemini to add this to my calendar. The AI will parse the details and set it up for you. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage your schedule using the powerful combination of Gemini AI and Google Calendar, streamlining your workflow and keeping your days organized.